All right, let's take a deep dive into Asan Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, which is located in Chengalpattu. Now, if you're getting ready for TNEA counseling, the code you'll want to remember for this college is 1423.
So what's the first thing you need to know? Well, right off the bat, it's an AICTE-approved self-financing college, and it's been affiliated to Anna University right from its start in 2002. You know, these are the fundamental checks every parent and student should tick off their list.
Okay, let's start with a proper introduction. Who are they, and what's their story?
The college's history actually goes back much further than you'd think. The parent organization, the Asan Memorial Association, was founded way back in 1965. It was created to honor the great poet Mahakavi Kumaran Asan. And then, in 2002, this very association established the engineering college.
So, let's get the key facts straight for the admission process. It's a self-financing co-educational college. And for admissions, it's through TNEA counseling, with the seats split 65% for the government quota and 35% for the management quota.
Next up, probably the most important question on your mind. What can you actually study here? Let's look at the engineering programs they have on offer.
At the undergraduate level, you've got a choice of 6 different BE and B.Tech programs.
And here's the full lineup. You'll find the core, evergreen branches, like computer science, ECE, and mechanical. But what's really interesting is that they've also brought in some high-demand, new-age specializations. So you also have options like IT, artificial intelligence, and data science, and even a dedicated course in cybersecurity.
All right, academics are sorted. But what about life outside the classroom? Let's talk about the campus and the facilities you can expect.
First off, the campus itself is quite spacious. We're talking about 45 acres, which gives plenty of room for academic buildings, sports, and everything else.
Now this is a big one, especially for parents of outstation students. Yes, the college has separate, permanent hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And just as important, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. So that's one less thing to worry about.
And for all the day scholars out there, how do you get to college? Well, they run their own bus service. Their routes cover major nearby areas like Chennai, Chengalpattu, Maduranthakam, Kalpakkam, and Thirukalukundram.
And if you're someone who prefers taking the train, just keep in mind that the nearest major railway station is Chengalpattu. It's about 9 kilometers away from the campus.
All right, let's move to a really crucial area. What kind of support does the college offer, and how does it connect students to the industry?
When it comes to financial aid, the college helps students avail all the government scholarship schemes that they're eligible for. This, of course, includes the schemes for SC/ST, BC/MBC/DNC, OBC, and minority communities.
Now here's something you don't see everywhere. The college has a special provision. There's a fee concession available for the children of CRPF personnel.
To really push for new ideas and innovation, the college has set up an Institution's Innovation Council. This operates directly under the framework of the Ministry of Education, which is a great sign. Of course, getting real-world experience is key, and students here have landed internships at a good mix of companies. You've got IT firms like Guru Information Technology Services and KPM Computers, and also core manufacturing giants like Sundaram Fasteners and Hanan Automotive Systems.
Just to be clear, all the information we've discussed in this overview has been gathered from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12-2 to engineering decisions.